Maayong buntag, Pilipinas. I'm Marian and this is Frontline Pilipinas, bringing you the latest news and stories that matter. Today, we focus on how cooperatives are driving economic growth and resilience in our community. Joining us is our field reporter, live at Malaybalay Bukidnon, Ella.
Good day, Marian. This is Ella reporting live from Malabalay, where cooperatives are making a significant impact on local economies. Just like any other cooperatives worldwide, those are here addressing market failures and providing essential services where private businesses fall short. I'm here with Mr. Kian Susuban, the current president of Bukidnon Farmers Cooperative. Mr. Susuban, can you tell us how your cooperative is helping local farmers here in Bukidnon?
Absolutely, Ella. Among cooperative nagahatag og dagong tabang para sa mag-uuma diri sa Bukidnon. Nagahatag pud mi og mga resources, training and market fair para sa ilang mga produkto. Nagahatag pud mi og barato na credit o mga agricultural inputs aron mapaayo ang ilang production o mabaligya nila na mas taas nga presyo. And tungod ani mas didako ang ilang mga kita o sa ilang mga paghinatod.
Wow, that's great. I also read that cooperatives have much lower failure than traditional businesses. How does that apply here in Bukidnon?
That's true. Cooperative have a strong community foundation. Bisan pa sa kalisod, ang mga membro bisan pa sa kalisod, tinabangay ang mga membro mao kini ang hinungdan nga ligon o sustainable ang mga cooperative. Sa tinuod lang, daghan ang mga membro nga nadouble ang ilang mga income tungod og sukad isulod sila ani sa cooperative.
Wow, impressive. Thank you for that, Mr. President. Marian, what's fascinating is that this cooperative model is proving successful across industries here in the Philippines. From agriculture to banking, cooperatives are providing essential services, promoting financial independence, and creating jobs. Studies shows that cooperatives are more resilient, with about 90% surviving after 5 years, compared to only 3 to 5% of traditional businesses. Absolutely, Marian. And here in the Bukidnon, it's clear that the cooperative model is not only preserving local expertise, but also improving the livelihood of many residents. This is Ella. Nag-uulat back to you, the studio.
That's impressive, Ella. It sounds like cooperatives are truly a powerful tool for economic and social progress. Thank you, Ella. Such an inspiring report. Clearly, cooperatives are helping shape a more sustainable and inclusive economies for all. That's all for today's special report, and this is Frontline Pilipinas.